Hello, today 𝗟𝗶𝗀𝘄 Homes is at Tampines, bringing you a timeless classic ground floor 3-bedroom unit.
With an amazing pool view from one of the 2 balconies, this 1421 square feet home is trendy yet conventional.
Step right into this living room that is modernly decked, well fitted with necessary accessories like the TV feature wall. Your family will definitely enjoy the convenience and coziness of this space. With more than sufficient space to fit a 6-seater dining table, the dining area could be converted to a generous living room space. Head into your exclusive private enclosed space, PES in short, offering a charming poolside view. This stunning patio is a sight to behold.
Lit with artificial grass landscaping, this unique asset livens up the residence, and it is most definitely a lovely place for repose and recreation. This is but one of the 2 PES the house has.
Check out the second PES just behind the kitchen. This extends into a yard space ideal for laundry. Well ventilated, this contemporary kitchen will fit right into your culinary conducts. It connects directly to the balcony, flooding with natural lighting and smooth airflow, refreshing your kitchen and giving you space for a breather amidst your cooking.
Look forward to unwind and rest in this master bedroom. Bright and airy thanks to its full-height windows, the cove lighting accentuating the room are cozy and warm. A walk-in wardrobe can be found in this master bedroom for your clothing and more. One of the common bedroom is connected to the patio, well linked to the delightful natural light and breeze should they wish for. With a pro-low bed just beside the windows, this room is intensely comfortable to relax in, basking in the rays of the sun at your leisure. All the bedrooms are of good size and can be easily configured to your needs.
Located nearby renowned educational institutes like Patio School, St. Hilda's Primary that guarantees convenient access for your children. A multitude of facilities, including shops, supermarkets are just opposite of the area and grants you in a favorable provision of your daily necessities.
Offering you a wide range of facilities including a 15-meter lap pool, jacuzzi, tennis court, gym, and rooftop gardens.
If this house sounds like the right fit for you and your family, do contact us here.
I'm Karen.
I'm Daniel.
We hope to hear from you soon. 𝗟𝗶𝗀𝘄 Homes,
What your way home? Voila!